Hey everybody, I'm getting ready to do a commission of a Gingko Biloba tree, and so I'm doing a 24 by 24 inch canvas, and I just put in a basic blue background because that's represents the sky, but it's not so terribly important because the tree is the focal point. And so I have painted in the blue background. It's a little bit deeper at the top, which typically is true of the skies, and the tree is going to take up a good portion of the whole painting, and it's going to be grounded here in this grassy area, and right about here is the horizon line. So I'm going to start painting in below the horizon line, then put in the tree. And well, I'm going to paint the grass, I think, in first, because the tree is going to be set on top of it, and I'll also have to paint to cast shadows and so forth. But you have to paint in what's behind your main focal point, and so I am going to do the grass kind of first, then I'll do the tree with all the leaves, and it's going to be lots and lots of time involved with that. So I'm just going to let you watch probably I'm probably going to let you just watch a fast speed video, because it will take a lot of time to do this. And I don't have my YouTube table set up yet, so I'm doing it on my kitchen counter. And you can see my light stand here, and I've got my art cart with my acrylics over here to the side. So if you'll just sit back and relax and watch me paint, I hope you have a good time. Okay, so as you can see, I'm over my kitchen sink, but I had to paint the edges, so I thought I would show you a picture of it just laying down, and maybe I'll do one on the stand as well so you can see it, because the lighting might be a little bit wonky. I had a few little ginkgo leaves falling on the ground, so I'll film it from another angle because the light's hitting it right here in the middle. Okay, so here is the final tree. You can see the whole canvas, not from an angle, and with no reflections on it like it was when I was painting it. So I'll zoom in a little bit, and I added a little deeper spots in areas of the tree and lighter spots, and tried to make it look a little bit more random, and added some little tiny ginkgo leaves falling down on the ground. And I added some blue under the tree. I didn't like all the green that was there before, so I softened that up and just kind of made it kind of blendy. So I like it a lot better. So I hope you enjoyed watching the painting, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Check out all the links below where it says show more on your laptop, or the down arrow on your mobile device. Click on the bell in the bottom right corner if you want to get notifications when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching this, and have an awesome day. Hugs, everybody. Bye-bye. Well, look, I have just stuff to show you. There's my little kitty cat sitting on laying. She's always sleeping on the couch. That's her spot. All right. See you later.